Mamma mia! Holy smokes! I can't believe I had to go through to the store. I got the DVD, Beauty and the Beast, and I got the fidget spinner. This is for Incineroar. Ooh. Also, I don't know why, but I'm gonna find out. Mamma mia! Now, how should I... Whoa! Mamma mia! What did I slip?
I'm big, bitches!
No, not you! I thought you were gone!
No, I was not gone. I was gone for 2 weeks. He didn't try me enough, so... Oh, you got a fidget spinner? And this fake movie? Well, guess what, faker? It's mine! They're all mine! And I'm gonna destroy one of them!
No! No, you can't! It's for Incineroar!
Incineroar's the faker! You know better than that!
Help! Somebody help me!
You guys thought I was back! You guys thought it was a real Shadow Freddy. No, I'm the fake one. You all remember the 2 videos. I'm back. This time, this movie going bye-bye. Oh, yes. Yeah, I would. Hey, you! Huh? Oh, shit. Ouch! Fucker! What's going on? Why am I tied up? This orange? Oh, I'm legit! Ah, man, what's going on? What the fuck? Oh no! No! Who are you? Who the fuck are you? Hello? Hello? Damn it! Damn it, Big Al! You're not supposed to reveal yourself! Oh my god! You ruined the somatic thing, just like Waluigi said in the Super Mario Richie. Oh my god! You know, I can't trust you with this. Ow! What was that? What was that? Hit me. Let me crawl here. Ah, fuck! It's that tiger, man! The fake tiger! Shut up! Big Al! I swear to God! Big Al! What do you think you're doing? What? I was trying to do my best with the impression of a Darth Vader. Darth Vader! You don't even sound legit! Hello? Now get over here, you! Now get over here! Look! Sorry about that. Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! You know what? This is why I don't trust you doing this on Mad X Face. I trust you to do something else. Well, yeah, but nothing, you stupid. I don't know why. I don't even know why. I slap you in the back of the face, so like that. So you better not. Oh, he's still here. Well, good. Well, you did a good job tying him up. Thanks, I guess. Yeah. You'll show the Pokemon, you know. Something like that. What is it? What's going on here? The alligator and the tiger? What the fuck is going on? Where's the fake movie? And where's the fidget spinner? Well, look what we got. Big Al, don't tell me you just revealed the items. Whoops. I guess I did. You stupid idiot. Give me those. Well, you're not supposed to reveal the items, though. You're just like a secret, though. You see that? You see that guy? What the fuck is his problem, man? He reveals everything, you know. Like he reveals the club, he reveals the Pokemon. You get the fucking idea, okay? You get the fucking idea. God. Yes, yes, fake Shuttle Freddy. We have the fidget spinner and the movie, of course. As you know, this movie is real, man. Derek saw that. He told you that. And by the way, you cannot deny his words because now Derek has the fidget spinner and the video. Well, the movie that says DVD. You know why? You know why? Because he is the top man here. Come on, seriously, he's the top boss. Psst. Incineroar. What? Did you know that Primarina? She's gonna come in the mail soon. What? Really? When does this happen? Today on eBay. Oh. Yeah. Oops. I dropped the DVD. Don't worry, I'll get it. Anyway, we got the fidget spinner and the DVD. You cannot throw stuff away that is fake. That is real, man. The fidget spinner is a real deal, but the movie that Derek watched is real. Don't even forget that. Yeah, I just made that evil laughter though, because it's for his own good. Yeah, and we wouldn't have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids and that stupid dog, Scooby-Doo. Back out! What, Harry? What did I do? No, what did I do wrong? What did I do? You're not supposed to say that when he gets away with it. But he didn't get away with it. Did you remember that? So let me get this straight. He didn't get away with it, and I can't even say it, right? Right. We got away with it. But what was I supposed to say? You're not supposed to say, hey, we wouldn't gotten away with it. We just, never mind. Yeah, whatever. Well, I'll just try to get up, though. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, my goodness. There's RC Cola. Look here. She'll do the drinking when I drink it. Tastes so good. Yeah, so fake Shell Freddy, the jig is up. I thought you were staying in that box, but no. You managed to escape. I didn't figure you would do that. And Heavy? What now? Well, what now? Would you mind getting would you mind letting me play that fidget? Yeah, take it. Here's your fidget spinner, though. I think you broke it. Look again. Oh, it's fixed. What an idiot. Yeah, I'm gonna put the movie down just in case. I don't want to hurt it. You see, man, we don't want you to throw away the movie. Because Dirk got that fair and square. You're not supposed to get rid of it. You're not supposed to. Now, you got out of the box, you are gonna pay the price. You are gonna die, man. You are gonna die. Hey, Big Al? What? What are you asking me? Hey, for? I don't know. I didn't know we've gotten this far. What am I supposed to? Oh, we're gonna stuff you in the into that box over there. Yeah, but this time clear. It'll be a jail. Oh, Nick, why would I do that? So I'm gonna make sure you don't get out. No. Please. No. I am not going to jail. You two are going to jail. I use your voice saying, I am Big Al. I am Mario. that surrendered that we killed. No, me and Luigi have killed Mario. So you and Luigi are gonna die. You are going to jail, man. I don't care. Just untie me. Hey, so you can. I'm gonna throw that movie away. It's fake, 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 fake. While the fidget spinner is the real deal. Let me go, man. Just let me go.
Well, I hate to break it to you. You're not going anywhere, man. You're not going anywhere. You use my voice? Sounds like Nick Wow knows you are lying. My voice is big and brutal. And I might love Primarina, though, because she's coming. She's gonna bitch slap you no matter what. Yeah, you see, when I was a little, no, I met Popliola named, how should I? Oh, not Bubbles, not Athena. No, not Ariel, no. I don't really know what the name. Whatever, Daphne. No, damn it. I forgot about the name. Damn it. Oh, not Allison. Oh, not Peach. Damn it, I forgot. God damn it. Not Peach, not Rosalina, not Daisy, not Toadette. No, I don't want. I'm not Charlie. Oh, no, not Miranda. Not Anna, damn it. Sherry? No, damn it. Doctor, help me out here, pick me up. I'm thinking it needs. Just think. What would be your name? Mary? No. Oh, no, not Jessica, no. It has to be a girl name, huh? Like a mermaid or something. Yeah. Think of something. All I can think of was a Little Mermaid. Alana? No, that's Ariel's sister. I would never do that. Think of something, not Maria. No, not Shantae. No, not Veruca, not Violet. No, it's gotta be something. Well, think, man, think. Victoria? No. I don't know. We'll be in a long movie. Kata? No. Hana? Yuki? No. Damn it, I don't know. I don't know. Wait a minute. What? Maybe Ursula's a human form name. Name it after her. Vanessa. Vanessa, are you sure? Yeah, that's right. Ursula don't like the human form, so it's Vanessa. Oh, Vanessa, thank you. Alright, her name is Vanessa, so, her name is Vanessa, and her voice is beautiful, man. It's not like from Little Mermaid Disney, though. It's not like that, but you get the idea. Though. She was a beautiful Poplio until she evolved into, I thought she was an ugly, brownie at first without Torcat, but no. After graduation, I evolved into Incineroar, and when I went to her opera, I saw Primarina. She is the most beautiful mermaid I ever see. And goddamn, she is hot and sexy. I mean, seriously.
Heavy?
What? What, Big Al? I swear to God, what is it? It's gotta be important.
Please don't yell.
What did you do?
Please don't yell at me.
What did you do?
I ate the fidget spinner.
You ate the fidget spinner! You ate the goddamn fidget spinner! What the fuck, man? You ate the fidget spinner? I'm like, oh, hey, I'm Big Al. I'm gonna eat something good. The fidget spinner might be taste like licorice. I gotta eat it. What the fuck, man? I swear to God. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. We thought I was gonna get the have a fidget spinner today. I got this black though. I was gonna get the different fidget spinner and all, but this fucking bones over here. Oh, Big Al, I swear to God.
Hey!
Oh, it's Nick Wild. I'll go get it. Oh my God! Thank you, Nick. Nick Wild. You might want to see what I just did over here. And we got a problem here.
Well, I know. I heard you on the phone. You need to be turned in and arrested. They're on the chair and... Wait a minute! That voice! Your voice does not match. I think I know what you're telling me. That voice is... God damn it. Fake Shadow Freddy. I knew it was you.
Oh, fuck! He figured it out!
What the fuck are you doing here? Yeah. Don't you know you're not supposed to be free, you stupid bully? I had to go through with Bellwether trying to poison me and kill carrots, but unfortunately for you, unfortunately for her, I put blueberries in there. I got the real formula, though. It's in the evidence. But the problem is for you, though, you killed Cubone at first, but now this has gone too far. I'm gonna have you under arrest. Ah, come on! Don't even think about it. You're already too late, though. That big tiger, this fake tiger here, stole what I need to throw away. What? The movie, damn it!
What movie?
Right behind you.
Yeah, it's right behind you.
So it's true. You were gonna throw away what Derek watched.
Yep.
God damn it! I told you not to come back, because you say everybody's a fake. Incineroar just tortured you by a boiling pot of water, as in the last video, but you came back for like, how long?
2 weeks.
Exactly 2 weeks. You're not supposed to come back. When he said you don't come back forever, it means it. Now you broke the law. You're under arrest, pal. What do you got to do? I'm gonna arrest you for taking 2 items. Actually, there was only 1.
One?
Yeah, 1. Why is only 1? Because that's big fake alligator ate a fidget spinner.
He what?
Yeah. Yeah, I ate the fidget spinner.
You ate the fidget spinner? You ate the fidget... Are you fucking serious right now? Are you fucking serious? Oh my... I swear to... Oh... I swear to God.
You know what? I don't know. I'm gonna tell Judy about this, but I think we can punch it out though.
Well, no. We can't punch out. We can't do that.
What's the matter?
We can't punch out. We can't punch out the Big Al. Just spit it out.
What are we supposed to do?
We gotta wait until he takes his course. Wait a minute, take its course. What's that supposed to mean? What I mean is, we have to wait until it's taken its course. But what does it mean? Are you freaking stupid? Yeah. Yeah, I don't even know what it means, so I'm stupid about it. So, what is it? We're gonna wait until he poops it out. What? You mean take a shit? Yup. That's nasty, man! That's nasty! Well, I'll go get the bucket of water and soap. I gotta go get the sponge. You gonna clean it? Yes. Oh, this is gonna be good. And as for you, fake Shuttle Freddy. Uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh is right. Time to throw you into that box. This time, we can see you. Oh God, please no. Ah! Ha! You missed. I can try again. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, fuck! Score 1 for Incineroar. God fucking damn it. No, you don't understand, man. You don't understand. You guys are fake. Well, you guys are fake, you hear me? Well, that's what bellwethers say about predators. So, you're a predator, I'm a predator, so you are an extreme predator. Now, stand there. God. I fucking hate you. So, Incineroar, are you happy? Yeah, I'm really happy. Well, thanks to you, Nick. You thought I was the bad guy. Well, no, I was good all the time. Yeah, did I tell you about the primer? Yeah, I heard. We whispered. Oh, right. Anyway, your DVD, and I cleaned out the fidget spinner. It's all yours, man. All yours. Mario was supposed to give it to you. Yeah, man. Thanks. I'll give it to the director, though. Geez, thanks. I'll take the fidget spinner. No problem. While we got the movie, so that me and Primarina watch. I guess Vanessa. I don't know. Exactly who's Vanessa? Back ow! What? Would you just shut up? You just ate a fidget spinner and now you want to tell me who's Vanessa is? Yeah. Motherfucker. Hey guys, nice Derek here, and I don't know you guys noticed, but let me go take care of that right now. As you already know, because I went to Walmart to get a little fidget spinner. Yes, I have a fidget spinner. It helps get a little stress out. So I got more than that. I have a red one for my girl. She's in Florida right now, but I still could get her. As you can tell, I got the movie from Walmart today. Yeah, I got paid. Man. I got paid. See? So, just give you a little quick info about this. The sister location plushes are gonna be in August, though. That's 2 months. But the hot topic, though, it's gonna be like, hang on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Hot topic, the plushy one is gonna be exclusive exotic butters. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say, though. Anyway, I'm Derek Dalkey. Signing out. Peace out, guys.